Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is my final month as being hostess for the Boy Doll Challenge that I did each month with Gosha from Dolls, Trolls, and More, Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse, and Irene from Irene Huff's Doll Space. It's really been fun, and this month is garden, and as you can see, Fritz has quite the garden here. Okay, we're in the neighbor's cornfield, but it sure worked out for Fritz. I want to thank Irene, Gosha, and Cynthia for each and every month that we have done this. It just worked out that I need to work on other things with my channel, and time was such an issue. Thank you so much to those ladies. Thank you each and every person that joins in each month. Please let me know in my comments if you have a video today, and leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.